So we're gonna go for a little walk. Just lock the gate. So this is the canal from the house. So this is the house and the canal that goes by it. And it passes under here. And there's a trail, nature trail. The canal splits off right here. And there's people walking dogs and riding bikes and walking, exercising, running all day, passing through here I saw so far. And the canal splits off over there and over here. If you cross here, it gets into a little nature area that I haven't really explored that much yet, so we're gonna go today. But yeah, canal goes off, and I think it's fenced off over there to, it's like a little zoo or something. I don't know. I got some deer or something in there I saw. But yeah, right by the house. And then if you go across, there's a big canal over there, and there's another nature area that's got lakes and everything. I would look at that one a lot more, but I didn't look at this one too much, so we're gonna go see what it's all about. They got little seating benches that you can watch the deer from. They're just chilling. Yeah, it's like a little zoo thing. I don't know. I'm gonna keep walking around and see what it's about. Goes all over the place. This gate's just here because of them animals, but that's the same canal that comes from the house, goes through there where them deer were. More birds over there. And then this canal continues on. Looks like another bridge way over there. Parks and stuff. Or those big ass doves. It's like Louisiana. Weeping willows. And here comes the rain again. the ducks. There, you get a fishing license. This is the end of it. Cool. Pretty big area. And like I said, there's another one not far. Went out of that area into here. I'm sure I could walk and never stop in this country. It's just paths all over. All kind of different birds. That looks like some kind of, I don't know, some kind of land bird. Not quail. Quails are small, I think. Pheasant or something, yeah. Some type of pheasant-like creature, maybe. Don't have like a huge tail like a pheasant, but first time I see one like that. I didn't even notice there's 3 of them. Looks like 2 males and a female. I'm still right by the house. Circling back right now. Pretty cool. There's people out, they're exercising. They're relaxing. Pretty cool. Coming to an intersection here. I think this is that restaurant. There's a bunch of bikes, racks. Yeah, it's gotta be that restaurant right here. They just cut the grass because the grass was tall last time. Looked like South Louisiana. But I guess they do that every once in a while. Yeah, here's that restaurant. There it is. Yeah, the grass was tall last time, but it'll grow back. This is that other big canal I was talking about. So if you go that way, there's a lake, and there's a whole bunch of more nature area. The poodle screaming at me. Yeah, they got this canal right by the restaurant. That's it. Restaurant tucked away. With a little bridge over there. This is cool. Some more ducks and poodles. Another little bridge. Watch this mallard right here. It's coming through. There he is. I think my house is back that way, or that way. I'm gonna go off this way because the lake's over there. One of the lakes is over there. But this continues, this goes way down there. There's a dog park way at the end, probably a couple miles from here. And this just continues. It's like I was saying, there's bike paths everywhere. This is how they mark the bike paths. They're numbered and everything, the whole country. And it just goes on and on. So this is the road, I remember it now. This is the road I came in on when I took that scooter. And yeah. The map of the area. Huh. Cool. Fishing. Yeah. Fishing over there too. My house is right here. In fact, I'm just saying there's fishing here. Little fishing guy. Golf course. Sports field. Sports. That's the noise you heard earlier. And then we are here. So that right there is here. And my house is right there, like I said. We just walked through all of this. Well, we walked here. And then we came back here. And then we're here now. And this is the other nature area I was talking about. There's all kind of walking paths through all of here. That's this way. You can see the signs and all. There's so that was the deer we saw in there by the house. Looks like there's some more of that here. So yeah, we're gonna walk a little bit more. This is cool. I actually didn't realize how close it was when I took the scooter. But I mean, the lake is right there. And when I was on the scooter, I didn't realize how quiet it was either. But it's pretty cool. I'm gonna go this way. This is the lake. There was some people smoking weed over here last time. Stanking it up. Now we'll go this way. This is actually a horse trail. That is cool. There's a lot of horses around here. So that's cool. They actually have a horse trail. And here we go. Here's the lake. First time I come to it. This is one of two lakes that's right nearby us. And when I say right nearby, I mean like 5-10 minute walking distance. I didn't walk directly here, so I can't tell you the exact time, but this must be a swimming area that's roped off. Let's see, there's a platform over there. Full of ducks, full of poodles. There's a swan right there, a small swan. It was a big one. It was a big one the other day. I mean, I know he's a big bird, but they get way bigger. Picnic tables, sitting areas around it. Full of ducks and stuff scattered about. Another swan right there. Ooh, let's go check him out. And some more over there. Yeah, this one's just a juvenile. The one over here. Yeah, this is a swimming area. Inside the little bouchons. And it tells you that it's the maximum depth, and then it gets about that depth. And then it's greater than 2 meters here. So, pretty cool. Poodles everywhere. Hope this dude don't come after me. He's sleeping. It's a big ass bird. Holy crap, he's big. Oh, he knows I'm here. Look at that foot. Dude, 12 gauge, I get about 15 in one shot, at least 10. They piled up right there. Poodle gumbo. Jeez, they fat too. Looks like Kansas last year. Well, I decided to go back to the house. The weather doesn't look too promising right now, and there's a guy who wants to meet up with me and go to a store that supposedly has specialty meats and stuff. So I want to see if they got any andouille or tasso, so I can make a jambalaya. But I highly doubt it. But I want to check out what they got, because that's what I got to work with. So I'm headed back to the house. We'll go around the lake and explore more of this nature area, because there's a lot that I didn't explore yet. We'll do that later. But this is cool, man. There's that horse trail again. Those guys over there, they were cycling, camping. They were heating up a meal like me and T Mike do on the trail. A little get together over here. That's the restaurant again over there across the bridge. These people are having a get together in this little thing. They got some benches and they were just chilling. So yeah, walk back. Just noticed a little birdhouse. It's numbered. I don't know if it's some kind of biologist thing or wildlife, like a wildlife and fishery or something that is numbered like that. Some kind of bird foundation, I don't know. This is cool, man. Getting my exercise, relaxing. I like it. Yep, there's another one of those birdhouses. So yeah, some kind of natural something. Nature preserve is what I took it as before. But man, it's mapped out like big time. Can't read it, of course, because it's all in Dutch, but this is all it right here, man. I'm trying to, we are, this is us here. So the house is back that way now. Oh, it says start, so yeah. Yeah, because lake's across the road, but yeah. It's even bigger than I thought. I mean, that's the lake that we just went on. And then it goes all the way over there, Nootdorp. That's north of where I am. So yeah, the map's just turned around. The lake we just went on, all the nature area that we walked before is all way over here. And then it goes on even more. I think I can lose some weight over here. Yeah, the weather's getting bad though, or about to get bad, so I'll haul ass back. Off we go. That's what it is though. That sign was over there. This sign's over here. This is two separate areas, so they split the map off. So that sign I just showed you, and then this on my side of the canal, all this that I already showed you. So yeah, lots of walking, lots of biking to do. Had to turn around. Horse and buggy just passed by. You could hear it. 2 horses pulling a buggy, a little wagon. Golly, this is cool. I think we're gonna enjoy it. That was a mailman. Surprised him. On a leash right now. It's a few months out of the year where they gotta be leashed, but I've seen a mixture of people with them on the leash and with them off the leash. So that's pretty cool because our dogs don't go far. It's a lot less pain to keep them off leash. So this is going directly to my house. I took this bridge with the scooter the other day when I was here last, when I sent the snap. This is the exact route I took. I'm never going that way yet, for another day. But there is my street, right over there. That's one of them birds. Welcome to the neighborhood. And here's our street, Middle Egg. There's another sign. Oh, that's South Holland off altogether. So we're over here. That's the Hague, Delft, and this is us. We're in the Hague, but the actual Hague's here. But this is a old village. They said it was an old airfield, and the city of Hague bought it. So our address is kind of misleading because it's actually the Hague, but it's really close to Delft and Nootdorp. So yeah, that's us. That's the road if you want to take a car to the restaurant that we passed over there on that side. And then our house is just right down here. I would dare to say we could probably almost see it. Yeah. So I'm gonna zoom in. Right there is that bridge that went into the nature area, and our house is right there. So we'll go walk. These ducks. This is the ditch, the same ditch that passes in front of our house. These ducks are just all over. This is, so that's all the nature area all around here. And then when you get back here, it starts to be a residential area. And we are right on the edge of the residential area and the nature area. And then, like I said, it wraps all around and it goes way back there. It's just a pretty cool location. More neighbors. More poodles. Oh, somebody got a little boat. Somebody got a pirogue. It's a canoe. Oh yeah, that opens up. Back there. Almost home. And there's us. Tucked away in it all. So I hope that gives you all a better feel. Where are we at? Is all residential buildings, and then it starts to be more houses over here. But yeah, there's the yard. So yeah, there it is, and it goes to that canal behind it. The yard and the house and the driveway over here. There's my gate right there. And this is the canal by it. Goes over here to the nature area. Hey. And there's the canal. There's the big willow tree in the front yard. Well, not really in the yard, on the other side, the little ditch. Neighbor. Didn't meet him yet. And here's the house.